Not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Transactions in Canada. Control of your money in real time. The ability to bank anytime, anywhere.
Taking it. You don't anyone to
Yeah, please come on. Yeah. Sanitize your hands, please. Yeah.
It's okay, sister. You don't have to wait there. Thank you.
I don't know.
Yeah. What color should I get? Should I get blue? I might get this one. Yeah.
You want to get it? Spicy. Why is it so square?
Should we get it?
Or is this too much?
Yeah.
don't think it's working. In 4 minutes. It is 9:25, and this is such a mess. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was stressed, and this is the result. This looks pretty though. I'm proud of myself. This is all I did this morning.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.